Hello, this is Donna Young with Drive to Live, and today we are going to address a very common question which many people do not openly talk about. And the question is texting while driving as harmless as we think? Did you know at any given time throughout the day, approximately 660,000 drivers are attempting to use their phones while behind the wheel of an automobile? You heard it right, folks. That's 660,000. Now let's take a side trip a little bit here and talk about distracted driving. So what is distracted driving? Distracted driving is any activity that diverts attention from driving, including talking or texting on your phone, eating and drinking, talking to people in your vehicle, fiddling with a stereo, entertainment or navigation system, anything that takes your attention away from the task of safe driving. Now here's the thing. Texting is the most dangerous form of driving distraction. But why? Well, let's answer that a little bit later. And let's hear from some people that drives to work on a daily basis. Let's hear what they think about texting while driving and find out. We have a majority of those interviewed saying it's not okay. We have one person who clearly said it's okay to read a text message or text while driving. Now that we have heard from those who drive, why don't we hear this time from passengers, from the people who do not drive at all, but instead they take a taxi to work? We want to see the reality. What's really happening from the observation of the passengers. Now let's hear from them. Now that we have heard from both sides, drivers and passengers, let's try to understand the danger of texting while driving. Sending or reading a text message takes your eyes off the road for 5 seconds. At 55 miles per hour, that's like driving the length of an entire football field with your eyes closed. Let me repeat that for emphasis. That's like driving the length of an entire football field with your eyes closed. It's like taking a blind person to a football field, put him in a car, and ask him to drive around the football field. Using a cell phone results to a high potential for deaths and injuries. In 2018 alone, 2,841 people were killed in motor vehicle crashes involving distracted drivers. Now, let's look at some hard facts obtained from both the CDC and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. 1 out of every 4 car accidents in the United States is caused by texting and driving. Teens who text while driving spend 10% of the time outside their lane. According to AT&T's Teen Driver Survey, 97% of teens agree that texting while driving is dangerous, yet 43% do it anyway. 40% of teens say that they have been in a car when the driver used a cell phone. The National Safety Council reports that cell phone use while driving leads to 1.6 million crashes each year. Nearly 390,000 injuries occur each year from accidents caused by texting while driving. In 2017, statistics: 3,166 people were killed by distracted driving in 2017. There were 34,247 distracted driving accidents. 15,341 drivers aged 15 to 29 were involved in fatal crashes due to distraction or cell phone use. While in 2018, 2,841 lives were lost due to distracted driving. Among those killed were 1,730 drivers, 605 passengers, 400 pedestrians, and 77 bicyclists. Knowing all the hard facts now, I would like you to think for yourself. Think about your own behavior. Think about your sphere of influence. Think about the little things that you see on the road, with your friends, with your family, with colleagues, etc. And let's be honest and face the fact. I would like you to ponder on this question sincerely. What can we do to help drivers not engage in distracted driving, such as texting while driving? I'll leave you to your thoughts, and let's hear about it next time. Again, this is Donna Young with Drive to Live. Thank you.